Hey guys, so basically we make use of SizeBox or a padding widget to give spaces between widgets. For example, here I am just building a container widget with a predefined function. So let me show you this function. So you can see this is the function widget function that returns a container with a predefined height, width and color. Okay, so I just need to make use of it to build this widget. So I'm just building 4 widgets over here. So now suppose I want to give some spaces between them. I can make use of size widget, and here I know that I am making use of column widget, that is a vertical view. So I can just give a height of 5 pixels over here. So in this case I knew that there is a vertical alignment of a data or a view, so I can just give a height of 5 pixels over here to this size box, and you can see there is a space been applied over here. And if I do this for other thing also, it will work perfectly fine. Okay, so you can see there is a gap. So now suppose if I want to change this column widget to a row widget, so I will just change this column widget to row widget, and I will just keep everything as it is. So you can see there is no gap or there is no space between them. You can see there is no gap. That's because here I am making use of size box with a height property that will work only when it is been applied to vertical alignment. So now if I make it width of 5, then you can see there is a gap. So this should not happen. It should automatically get adjusted depending on whatever column or row we are using. So in this case we can make use of a widget called as gap. So let me show you how we can use that. So for this, in specification.yaml file, under dependency section we need to add this dependency, that is gap. So you can just add it and hit the pub-get button. So after doing that, just import it wherever you want to give a gapping. So now if I, instead of using this size box, if I make use of gap widget, and here if I just define pixels of 5, okay, so you can see it has been applying over here. So you just there. So now here, even if I change this row widget to column widget, the gap will be applied over here. So you can see over here there is a gap. So let me change all the thing. I will just remove the sized box with gap. So you can see it has been applied each and everywhere. So even if I change it to row widget, you can see it is giving me the gap that I need. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Proto Code Response. Thank you.